Today, we're going to work on using a stepper motor with the Raspberry Pi Pico. For this, we need a Raspberry Pi Pico on a breadboard, a stepper motor controller, and a few wires. Take a look at this circuit diagram to help you build the circuit. Take a look at this wiring circuit to help you verify the circuit. Now, the first step is to connect the stepper motor to the motor controller. We then connect the various pins labeled IN1, IN2, IN3, and IN4 to 4 GPIOs configured as outputs. We then provide the power and ground connections. And that's it. We're ready to go. Now we'll get down to the coding. As usual, we import the pin module from the machine library. We also import uTime to add some delays. And then we create a list of pins configured as outputs. A stepper motor essentially works by providing a sequence of values to these 4 pins. So we create a list of pins, and then we create a list of sequences to be provided to the stepper motor. As you can see, we create sequences where the one value shifts through the different positions in the list. Now, in a forever loop, we step through the sequence and apply each value of the sequence to each one of the pins. We had a little bit of a delay to be able to notice the turn. And as we can see, the stepper motor works like a charm. Do try out your own experiments with this and share the results with us. Thank you.